Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and today I have one of the another most requested video, and that was on alcohol inks and alcohol inks on ceramic pots. So here I am doing it today. So I have the shades which I had already shown you. So here what I have is sea green, then I have jasper, then I have tanzanite, scuba blue, limelight, and Formosa. So I have almost all the beautiful shades with me, and now I have also got this alcohol blending solution. I got this online. Of course, I'm sharing all the links down in the description box. Do check that. And now it's time to play with my inks. Now I am super excited, and I really don't know that how it is going to be. So let's see. I'm going to open up the cap of the inks which I am going to use today. So I'll be using my pink, yellow, green, and purple. Okay, so right now I've decided that I'll be using these four shades. Let me see. Now I'll start with one area. I'm just dripping few inks, adding few more shades here and there, and a tinge of green. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take up my blending solution and just put it dip by dip. Oh, I think I need to put a hole in this. I did not check that. Okay, yeah. And now I will be adding this solution, and wow, this looks amazing. Can you see the blending work here? It's looking beautiful. Now simultaneously I'll be adding colors to the other areas also. I need to be a little quick here because we definitely want to have beautiful shades around us, and I will have to put up the colors and then the blending solution. So I'll just move it upside down so that my color spreads really well here. Let me take it in this way so that both the colors are going to spread on both the ways, on both the sides. Okay, this is done. Now I'm thinking of adding more of yellow shade here so that I just break this monotony of too much of red, and some purple here and some greens here and there. Now what I need to do is I just need to make sure that I add my blending solution on all the corners so that it blends well, and I'm just going to rotate it very wisely so that my color spreads really well. I think I should add some blending here, and you can see if I add my blending solution you can actually see the real colors, and just a tinge of, oh wow, this looks amazing. This looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is beautiful. So wherever I just feel that I need to spread it, or I just need to have some really nice combination of these, I'm adding my blending solution there and doing it. Wow, can you see the beautiful blending of this? Let me add some more shades here. And I really don't know how much time is it going to take to dry out, but let's see. Let me see. I think I should add some more yellows here. I'm just realizing that with the ink, alcohol inks, the darker colors are so prominent that they always just blend in with the lighter shades, and that gives a complete different look here. Now I'm just rotating my ink so that I don't have anything flowing like upside down. I want it in the circular motion so that when you see this, you feel that it's a one go beauty of this pot. Wow, this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really loving this one. And it's actually so fun that you're adding some nice shades and colors here and there. Wow. Now I'll not put any more blending solution. I'll just close this bottle, and I'm also going to close up all the remaining bottles here. So this is a little tricky, holding your bottle and closing the bottles from the other hand, but like I said, I don't want to have too much of colors flowing down. You need to make sure that you close all the lids really well. I'm just checking if I'm closing the caps with the correct, on the correct bottle. Okay, so now this is done, and now I'm going to let this dry completely. Like some of the patches have already dried out, but I need to leave it to dry for some more time, and let's see, and then we will be back. Okay, so it's been 2 hours since I left it for drying out, and it looks like it has dried out completely. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now it's time to do my varnish here. I have seen people using different kind of varnishes, but I wanted to try out my regular varnish and see that how it works out. So here I will be applying a very quick good coat of varnish, and I'll make sure that I let it dry completely for a good amount of time, and then let's see that how it works out. So I'm not going to redo the areas where I've already done that. I'll let it dry completely for a good number of hours, and then we will be back. So it's day 2 and my pot has dried out completely. This is looking absolutely gorgeous, and now it's time to do my second coat of varnish. Yes, I had already done my one coat of varnish last day, and it has dried out completely. Now it's time for another coat. Still, like I said, I'm not very sure that how this varnish is going to react with this one on the second coat also. So I will be quickly doing the varnish, and I'm not going to rub on the one surface again. So like no rubbing on the varnished area again and again. And you can see that this looks absolutely gorgeous. The color blending work is looking amazing, and yeah, it's looking beautiful. Now on the last side, and of course off camera I'm going to do one more coat, and I am just trying to be a little more cautious when it's coming to my alcohol ink, and I want to take all the precautions whatever I can. So yes, with this my tutorial is done, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. This is looking absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So in this way you can convert any of your planters and pots into a beautiful decorative piece. So I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Listed on all the supplies down in the description box. Do check that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.